Hello, students. Hope you are doing well. Welcome to uh, another question from the same passage. So, the direction for the question is what? The direction for question is answer the following questions based on the information given below. So, as far as we understood about this passage is what? Uh, this passage discusses about the problems and difficulties that the public higher education faces, isn't it, during the COVID-19 pandemic? Well, I hope you understood the whole text and how does the passage talk at the end of it about the urgent work the humanities can help. So about this only the whole text is pointed. So as far as we understood, this text is nothing but considering as a one of the informative and persuasive text presents a clear analysis of the challenges facing the liberal arts in higher education and argues for the importance of reframing how the humanities are perceived and taught. Right. So we also understood that the language is a formal and you could say that articulate in a beautiful manner with a focus on expressing the urgency of the situation and advocating for change. We also understood that the tone of the author is uh, demanding for the urgent and impassioned, isn't it? So let's move to the question. So the question points out here, according to the passage, why does the tendency to view metrics like enrollments and credit hours piecemeal poses challenge for certain measures, right? That is what it is pointed. Let's see that. If you observe that the question aims to determine what, why the tendency while the tendency to view metrics like enrollments and credit hours piecemeal poses a challenge for certain measures, as mentioned in the passage. Let's look into each and every option and let's analyze them. The first option stated it leads to an emphasis on profitable programs. Now, this choice can be known as a what? Misinterprets the passage. Misinterprets the interprets the passage. Why? Because which mentions that viewing metrics piecemeal prompt leaders to identify profitable programs, but doesn't directly link, isn't it? So directly linked to the challenge faced by the certain measures, isn't it? So, and therefore you can consider option one cannot be the answer. Option 2 stated it results in a decline in the birth rate, which is again you would find out here where it is stated precipitous decline in the US birth rate from 2008 to 2011 results in a decline in the birth rate. So, if you see that the passage discusses the decline in the birth rate in the context of the enrollment cliff, isn't it? In the you could say that fourth paragraph of the passage, but does not connect it directly to the challenges or challenge faced by the majors again. Right now, look into the option three. What does option three stated here? It overlooks the cost of program delivery. Right now, if I talk about that option three, it overlooks the cost of program delivery. So, as far as if you look at the passage, according to the passage, the tendency to view metric piecemeal without considering the cost of program delivery puts nothing but a lower enrolled mayors, right? Lower enrolled majors, isn't it? Particularly in the humanities, in a precarious position. Hence, you can point out that option 3 would be the most appropriate answer to this, isn't it? Now, before we jump or finalize our answer, option 3, let's look at the 4. It promotes austerity measures. Now, if you see that it promotes austerity measures, which is uh, not directly even connected connect this to the viewing of metrics. So because the passage discusses austerity measures, it doesn't directly, again, uh, in connecting to the, what do we say, that the viewing of metrics. So hence option 1, 2 and 4 are eliminated. Option 3 is the most appropriate answer based on the information provided in the passage, right? So hence the answer should be option 3. That's all. Thank you.